Today we are going to learn the new unit, that is the concepts of entropy. Concepts of entropy. The scientist Clausius, who has introduced the new term, that is the entropy. The scientist Clausius, who has introduced the new term, that is the entropy, to predict the spontaneity of a process. To predict spontaneity of a process. What is spontaneity? Spontaneous process. Spontaneous process is the process which occurs on its own, is known as spontaneous process. So spontaneous process is the process which occurs on its own. All the natural processes are spontaneous processes. All natural processes are spontaneous process. Spontaneous process को लिखा है third, the process which occur on its own, ज्या रिएक्शन स्वतः घडतात त्याला काय म्हणायचं? स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेस. ऑल नॅचरल प्रोसेसेस आर स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेसेस. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, फ्लो ऑफ हीट. Flow of heat is a spontaneous process or natural process, because heat flow from hot body reservoir to cold body reservoir. So flow of heat is the another example of natural process or spontaneous process. Another example is flow of electricity. Flow of electricity. Electricity flows from higher potential to the lower potential. So this is the another example of spontaneous process or natural processes. Now we have to see what is the spontaneity of a process. So the tendency of a process to occurs on its own is known as a spontaneity of a process. So the tendency of a process to occurs on its own is known as spontaneity of a process. So the entropy term is introduced by the Clausius for the prediction of spontaneity of the process. Now we have to see what is the entropy. Entropy is the measure of disorder or randomness of energy in a system. Energy in a system. So entropy is the measure of disorder or randomness of energy in a system. We have to see what is disorder or randomness of energy in a system. Before going to understand this concept, we know the compound, solid compound, liquid compound or gaseous compound. In solid compound, atoms or ions are binded. Atoms or ions are binded very strongly, or there is a strong covalent bond. In solid compounds, the atom or ions are arranged in a regular manner. Atoms or ions are arranged in a regular manner, whereas in liquid molecule, atoms or ions are binded less strongly than the solid molecule or solid compound. Atoms or ions are binded less strongly than solid compound. In gaseous, atoms or ions are binded very loosely than the solid or liquid. So orderness in solid molecule or solid compound, atoms or ions are arranged in order manner. Order of arrangement decreases when we go to the liquid, because in liquid atoms or ions are loosely held than the solid molecule. Here disorderness increases. In gaseous molecule or compound, atoms or ions are loosely held together than the liquid molecule. Here also orderness of the arrangement of atom or ion decreases. So in solid molecule, arrangement of atom or ion is in order manner. In liquid, disorder manner. Here disorderness increases in gaseous compound. So the measure of disorder or randomness of energy in the system is known as an entropy. When system changes from one state to another state, solid to liquid or liquid to gaseous, there will be change in energy, there will be change in disorderness. So the measure of disorder in the energy is known as entropy. So as we go from solid to liquid, liquid to gaseous, arrangement of atom changes. Here disorderness changes, energy also changes. So as we move from solid to liquid, liquid to gaseous, there will be change in disorderness of energy in a system. So entropy liquid to gaseous. So entropy of gaseous molecule is greater, molecule or compound is greater than liquid, which is greater than solid. So order of entropy is gaseous is greater than liquid, which is greater than solid. Now we have to see consider a process in which system changes from S1 to S2 with absorption of Q amount of heat reversibly at a constant temperature Consider a process in which system changes from initial state S1 to final state S2 with the absorption of amount of heat reversibly at constant temperature. Here we have written amount of heat absorbed reversibly as a Q reverse at constant temperature. So the entropy or change in entropy can be given as S2 minus S1 is equals to amount of heat or heat absorbed reversibly per temperature at which heat is absorbed. So change in entropy can be given as the amount of heat absorbed reversibly per temperature at which heat is absorbed. So for small change, or we can write mathematically S2 minus S1 is equals to Q reversible. Heat absorbed reversibly we can write as a Q reversible, and temperature is denoted by capital T. So S2 minus S1 is equals to Q reversible divided by T, where S2 is the final entropy or final state, in S1 is the initial state. So for infinite change, we can say infinite change as a small change, or for small change ds is equals to dq reversible divided by t. where dq reversible amount of heat absorbed or total heat contained by that system. But in our first unit we have seen the total heat contained by the system is equals to delta H. So for dq reversible or q reversible we can write delta H. Delta H is the amount of heat or total heat contained by that system divided by T. Taking T from right hand side to left hand side, we will get T d S is equals to delta H. T d S is equals to delta H. So entropy or small change in entropy is given as ds is equals to delta H by T. Now we have to see the unit of entropy. Units of entropy. In CGS system, entropy of unit, see here, entropy is nothing but, or change in entropy is nothing but heat absorbed divided by temperature. The unit of heat is, or unit of heat in CGS system is calorie. Divided by, or we can say per temperature. The unit of temperature in CGS system is degree per mole. Degree per mole. So the unit of CGS system, unit of calorie in CGS system is, unit of entropy in CGS system is calorie per degree per mole, and entropy of, unit of entropy in SI system, the heat can be given as joule in ESI system, and temperature can be denoted by Kelvin per mole in ESI system. So the unit of entropy in ESI system is joule per Kelvin per mole. Joule per Kelvin per mole. Now we have to see the entropy as a state function. Now we have to see the entropy as a state function. Entropy as a state function.